Okay. So this time IMD has forecasted that monsoon will arrive over the coast of Kerala by 31st of May. A model correction of plus or minus 4 days. 31st of May is the onset date. In of monsoon, that depends on a lot of factors. Okay. So that we will get to know once the onset takes place over Kerala. So then onwards we will keep on updating, like in 24 hours where it will reach, 48 hours where it will reach. In that way the information comes. Now range of around 60 years, 70 years of data. Normal onset date over Kerala is 1st June.
Okay.
And normal onset over Goa is 5th June. Okay. 5th June, around 5th June, monsoon should arrive over Goa as well. And there is no one-to-one correlation. Doesn't mean that it reaches earlier over Kerala, it is going to come earlier over Goa. If it is late over Kerala, it is going to stay the same way late over Goa. That is not a thumb rule. There can be variations. It depends on that particular time's different weather features.